Hello everyone, this is Akash Arora, and in today's video I'm going to be going through a few of the basic concepts and a few of the basic topics that we have learned in data structures in this semester. So this is the website that I'm going to be using today, as I've highlighted the link, so you can make note of that. And this link is very useful for understanding the basic concepts of different topics such as stacks, queues, even graph algorithms such as breadth first search and depth first search. So in today's video I'm only going to go through a few of the basic topics, that is stacks and queues and the array implementation of stacks, the linked list implementation of stacks, the array implementation of queues, and the linked list implementation of queues. So now let me start off with a stack. A stack is again a ADT, that is an abstract data type. Now the stack works with the property, sorry about that. So the stack works with the property of first in last out concept, which means the data which has been entered last will be removed first, and the data which has been entered first will be removed last. So as you can see, there are three options that can be done, that is the push, pop, and clear stack. Clear stack basically means to display all the values, or to remove every value, not to display, basically to empty the stack. So first let me start off by entering my first value, say 45. So when I do this, you have to notice that this top pointer's initial value was incremented. The initial value of the top pointer was indeed -1, but while entering the first element, the top pointer's value automatically became 0, so I could enter the first value. Now after the first value has been entered, the top pointer's value has become 1. So when I move on to the second value, say 78, and I push it, when I click the push option, the top pointer's value is incremented to 2, so it's ready to take the next data inside. So now I'll enter 3 more values. So basically what I did so far is write down my value and push it onto the stack. And what happens when I'm doing that? First, the top pointer's value gets incremented, so it points to the next available position of the stack, and your value gets placed in that position. Now that is as far as it goes for the push option. Now for the pop option, the pop option basically pops the last value which you have entered in the stack. Now if I click pop, the top pointer's value gets decremented because you're removing one of the values, right, from the stack, and you can see the popped value is your last finally entered value, which was 48. Now let me pop it again. Yeah. So as I keep popping the values, the value of the top pointer also gets decremented. Now if I want to clear the entire stack, I can just click on clear stack, and automatically the top pointer's value gets decremented to 0, which means if the top pointer's value is decremented to 0, it means that it is ready to take the first element of the stack. So that's what it basically means. And that's about it for stacks array implementation. Now moving on to queues